Good morning, students. Today I will talk about functions of blood. Blood is a fluid connective tissue which circulates in our body and transport different materials in our body. It performs different functions. Functions of blood is following. First function is of blood is transportation of food material. Food is digested in digestive tract and absorbed food material is transported through blood. Villi absorb food material from intestine and transport it to liver. Fat, carbohydrate, proteins are absorbed in intestine, then reaches to liver, then to heart, and heart transport it to different parts of body. Thus, digested food material is transported to different parts of body through blood. Next function of blood is transportation of oxygen. Blood contains erect pigment named hemoglobin. Oxygen is mainly transported through hemoglobin. Hemoglobin reacts with oxygen and converted into oxyhemoglobin. This into lungs. This oxyhemoglobin is carried by lungs to different parts of body. In different part of body, oxyhemoglobin converted into hemoglobin and oxygen. Oxygen is utilized in respiration in the different body cells. Thus, oxygen is transported through blood. Next function of blood is transportation of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide produced during respiration in each cell of body. Blood has transport carbon dioxide in the form of carboxyhemoglobin and in the form of bicarbonates or in the form of H2CO3. Carbon dioxide transported to the lungs through blood, lungs, now this carbon dioxide exchanges in lungs and exhales outside. Thus, transportation of carbon dioxide takes place through blood. Next function is transportation of hormones. Hormones are chemical messengers. Hormones controls different vital activities of our body. Hormones are secreted in endocrine glands of our body. Endocrine glands are ductless glands blood transport hormone from endocrine glands to different parts of body where they perform different activities. Next function is transported or portion of excretory material. Excretory materials are produced in different parts of our body. Blood carry excretory material from different part of body to liver, then to kidney. Kidney excrete them as harmful waste in the form of urine. Thus, blood transport excretory material from different part of body to liver, then kidney. Next function of blood is prevention from disease. Blood prevents us from various disease. Blood contain WBCs. WBCs prevent our body by two ways. First, WBC engulf bacteria or pathogens and protect our body from different disease. Second, some WBCs produce antibodies. Antibodies destroy pathogen, bacteria and other microbes and prevent our body from different disease. Next function of blood is formation of clot. When any part of our body is injured and blood flows, platelets present in blood forms blood clot by different chemical reactions. This clot prevent flow of blood. Thus, platelets help in the formation of clot and prevent us from loss of blood. The clot of injured part after dried form a scab which protect our body. Next function of blood is regulation body temperature. Function of our body, different parts of our body is not similar. Some body parts produce more energy while others less. So, temperature of our body parts is not equal at all the time. Blood flows in our body continuously. Blood regulates our body temperature. Capillaries present in our skin regulate our body temperature. Blood flows through these capillaries. Thus, blood regulate our body temperature. So these are main functions of blood. Thank you.